mercy, love is present, love is kind, but current the studies but for whatever you do or get it with all your heart. Colossians 3 verse 3. God has been very gracious to me and I have all I need. Genesis 33 verse 11. God has been good to all the blessed, especially to those who belong to the family of believers. Galatians 6 verse 10. She was great love that Father has loved us, that we should be called the children of God, and that is what we are. 1 John 3 verse 11. What is impossible with man is possible with God. Luke 18 verse 27. I will turn the morning into gladness, and I will give them comfort and joy instead of sorrow. Jeremiah 31 verse 13. Blessed is the one who eats the feast in the kingdom of God. Luke 14 verse 15. They saw the child with his mother Mary, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Matthew 2 verse 11.
Kami izinnya istajab ketika berkenan akan saku barana semini kami isaya halamnya halamani edika Daniel Hosea Joel Amos Yona Obadya Yona Mika Nahum Habakuk Kaya Hagai Malaki Antiba Jehovah Bukana Mamang Namako Sasitua Citra Mode Kulapipri Dia Jisuan Bukon Nasionaliku Halbana Doa Jeka Nasional Ukul Halbana yang aku nuka Dakin di bagian Ini Pabako Wachida Mantakati Niko Kerbo Alo Jisu Kristoni Bimomo Baptis Padaku Mako Alo Bibi Ani Saluran Kau Sebagian Alo Kecil Kau Sangat Bagian Campur Bote Bunga Bunga